Hi everyone, I wanted to do a video on Sig P238 and this slide stop falling out, okay? The symptom is that when you turn the gun over, okay, and you rack the slide this way, and if you do it too slowly, you can get the slide stop to fall out. If you look at this, this is the other end of the slide stop pin, okay? And if you do it too slowly, the slide stop will fall out. Okay, mine doesn't, because I'm going to show you why. It was doing it, but I made a slight adjustment to the spring here, and that fixed it. You should probably go and ask Sig, hey, to send you another spring or get another spring from Sig, because there's a common problem with these. Anyways, let's take this spring out, the slide stop out, and I'll show you what's going on here. So it's actually good. It's difficult to take out now. Okay, we got it out. So, here's what's going on, okay? This spring right here, make sure you got that in the video. This spring right here, all right? If you look at the edge of this spring right here, this guy right here can get bent up, okay? What this needs to do is actually provide downward pressure on a part of this slide stop. Specifically, see this little tab right here? Okay, I'm gonna show you the whole slide stop. Slide stop goes in like this. Okay, so this little tab right here on the end, okay, just to make sure you see it. This guy right here, okay, the spring needs to push up on this tab. Sorry, oh my gosh, push down on this tab. All right, so if you're looking at the gun like this, you want the spring pushing down on this little tab. Make sure you can see in the camera right there. Okay, this out of the way so you can see with the background. That little tab right on the end. All right, so when we install this, when we have the slide on and we install it, we need to make sure that that little tab goes under this spring right here, okay? So the tab is where the screwdriver is. It's gonna slide right underneath there. I'll show you with another tool. Might make a little more sense. Right underneath. You can't even get underneath this with these pliers. So it needs to go underneath, not on top, underneath. All right. So you put the slide in and you want to make sure you come underneath. Now the thing is, when you do it correctly, you may feel a little bit of resistance. And you hear that click? Do it again. That little click right there. And if you shake it, okay, it's not going to fall out. And you can see too, if you look at how it lines up with the slide, there's some downward pressure on it. See that? That's what you want. Now, if when you're cleaning your gun, and from overuse of your gun, of cleaning your gun and things like that, if this has happened to you before, this is going to actually get pushed. This is probably going to actually get pushed up. Okay, if it gets pushed up and your spring gets deformed, you really should get a new spring from Sig. In an emergency, or if you're like me, you can just kind of come in here and maybe apply a little downward pressure on it. Okay, try to get it back into shape so that's providing some of that downward pressure. And doesn't need to be much. It's a very, very slight click that you want to hear. If you don't hear that click as that tab is sliding under the spring, then you're gonna have a problem. Let's go ahead and put this back together and I'll show you what we're working with, the final test. Okay, so as I'm doing this, a little bit. Okay, I want to make sure again that I'm under the spring and I hear that click. Oh, caught the. Hang on. Doing it live here, no edits. All right, so we're putting the slide stop back in. Our little silver tab from the slide stop is going to go back underneath that spring. And I hear that click as I push it in. I felt it grind. Yeah, we're in there. I can feel that downward pressure. Okay, there we go. Now we're in there. Now, if I turn it over, here's the thing. Everyone's like, oh, rack really fast. No. Rack slowly and try to get it. When you feel that resistance right there, that's when it should fall out. You can shake it and kind of stay around that area and try to get it to fall out, okay? This is common among, well, this is my wife's gun. This is common actually among women. Women, if you go on the forums, women tend to have the problem, more of a problem here because they're racking the slide forward, right? They're they're being gentle with the gun, and you know, whereas men are we're just aggressive brutes. So if you're doing this all the time, it's not going to happen. But if you're slowly racking it to the rear, okay, I can feel the resistance right there, and mine was falling out every single time when I would do this. All right, so that's how you know it's working correctly, and you'll be good to go in the range. As always, make sure you go through a function check, okay? Make sure your safety works, etc. afterwards. Got the safety on, we're good, okay? And take the safety off, fires, resets, fires again, okay? All right, so that's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, etc. Let me know how things work out for you and what your experience is. Thanks for watching.